This video is going to be a little head tour video. If you want to know more about this head, just stick around and I'll explain it. If you want a tutorial on how to build this head from the ground up, working on that. I just need to get more cardboard, so that'll eventually come. If you want a tutorial on how to do the mechanics on this, check out my cardboard mask tutorial playlist. It's got it already explained there. But for everybody else who just wants to get a better look at this head and have me go over the details of this, this is for you. So here's a look at the head, a better detail. Here's the mane. Here's a better look overall. Here's the underside. Some people were asking about the ears. And I basically have the cardboard set in little pockets of this so it slides in and out of it and gives it a kind of natural look, especially when they lay down like this. People were asking about how I did the eyes. The eyes are deep set, as you can see, where I had a little piece of cardboard that was laid out, and then I stuck the eye. It's just a flat piece of cardboard that is just literally glued to the back here. And for the glow, I just used a neon paint for the outside of the eye, and then for the pupil I used a glow-in-the-dark paint, so whenever the lights go off those still glow. For the mouth I've added a tongue so that it looks more natural. Painted the interior of the teeth, as you can see. Back corner of the lip, this is literally just 2 sheets of cardboard. This one is attached to this upper part on the mechanism here, and it hides a little mechanism here in the back. And this sheet is only attached to this bottom part. And then right about here, this is a pocket that this one slides in and out of. So it gives it kind of more of a natural look. And it keeps the lips together. So whenever that swings down, that stays in the pocket. And it keeps the mechanism hidden here. People were asking about what the interior looks like. This is just raw cardboard. Don't worry, I don't wear this often enough that I sweat it out or anything like that. Here's what it looks like from the inside. I can only see out the mouth on this, so that's what it looks like for me when I'm wearing it. It's got these elastic bands here, so it makes it easier for it to close and open. You can see the little mechanics here in the back corner on everything. But yeah, there it is. Now people can like add duct tape or other things here. I've painted usually the interior of mine, but sometimes it gets a little too stiff. Since I got a metal plate, it kind of presses on that, so sometimes it's a little uncomfortable, so I'm leaving mine raw on this. Also to prove to people that this is cardboard. This is pretty much 100% cardboard aside from like hot glue and then just like a couple of screws and then a few plastic pieces for the mechanism, since I don't know how long the cardboard would last doing this. Oh, and then like a couple of pieces of wire too for the ears. Yeah, that's the head. Some people were asking me to put it on. So here it goes. And this is all controlled by my jaw, so there's no like hand mechanics or anything. It's all hands-free. Some people were wondering what it looks like when I talk. Obviously, this is how it looks whenever I talk. Unless I'm really pushing my jaw down, it's not going to open up the mouth. So if I try talking where I'm actually applying my jaw to the mask, this is what it looks like. So yeah. Yeah, there you go. Ugh. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm glad you guys enjoy this mask so much. It's one of the best masks that I made, and it was mostly guesswork as I went on, and I was just like, well, I hope this looks okay as I do this. So I'm glad you guys like the mask. I added this little zip tie here so I'm able to hang it up like so. yeah, that's where the mask hangs out. There you go.